Leaving picnic site number 1. Going some other place. Going for a small walk. Is when I need to go to Walmart. One bathroom here. See, it's even bathrooms here. Not many people in the water. Oh, they have ice creams. Here is another picnic area close to water, but not super close. It has nice view. More people here. I will go on some walk and then I'm going back to car because I have to go Walmart. And have to go Walmart. Okay, see you later. Wow, nice. Here is water too. We go further. But I will not go full length around the lake because I have to go Walmart. This is P mode. I changed to different mode. Oh no, I forgot to. So now I'm on auto. No, on aperture priority mode in this camera because it makes aperture the same, which is, you know, bokeh. I want to keep the same blurred background. Oh, nice beach here, let's go. Small one, nobody here. We can go inside. Look guys. Is it recording? Yes. Very nice. I will go a little to water. We need to ground ourselves a little bit in this water. Let's put this back here and backpack. Yeah. Water is really warm. Wow, so warm. Too bad I didn't come with towel today. I could swim. So I'm regretting I didn't take some towel and something to swim. And the water is very nice. So nice and warm water, not any people here. The only thing I would take with me here is I need some water shoes because that's actually this small rocks are really sharp, so you want some water or some sandals from plastic. I have many of them in home. Maybe tomorrow I come before work and swim. I could come here and swim a little bit when I change in bathroom, because they have nice bathrooms you can change to clothes, appropriate ones for work. Then I can go work. Haha, plan for tomorrow. Haha. I think I will come here. Okay. Maybe I should check some. I should check temperature for tomorrow. But I think might be good. Nice warm water. Oh, I see some small fishes. Nice. Tomorrow I have work at 3:30, so I should come here near 10 or 11 to swim and have fun. I could take some salad with me to eat and then go to work. The problem is, I could actually come here, but I would have to take some water shoes with me. Maybe will not take this camera, because this camera is expensive, you know, in case. But the only thing I would afraid is documents, and ID documents and car key, you know. But I don't think here comes people that steal things. Now I coming out from water into shoes. Okay. Let's go on a small walk, because now it's time to walk. I love summertime. I think I will get out from home tomorrow near 10 to come here and swim. That's the plan. But without this camera, I could take GoPro with me. GoPro, because it's cheaper camera. Phones I could take too. Nice place. But they say no swimming. Other part they allow swimming. Soon have to turn around. Have to go store. And then I have to cook pork chops on the pan. Not cook, but make them. Nice tree to cuddle. Oh, nice. Look, guys. Nice place. This is really like it. Maybe I will bring this camera tomorrow, but I'm afraid. Unless because with this camera I'm afraid, you know. But you know what I'm up to, so maybe I needed another film from the same place. Maybe I should go some different place. But tomorrow I'm working and not much time. I love pine trees. They smell nice. And this one also nice big pine tree. Today is day of the week, which that's why it's not so many people, because if it would be weekend it would be more. Let's cut out the pine tree here. $4.50. Okay, let's go. This way. I changed route because the dog was barking. Hope this also goes the same way. So I don't want the dog barks on me. Let's go further through the forest, which is the place I like lately to go. Not lately, since many years. I was even studying forestry protection, but in Poland. Oh, nice smell here with trees, pine trees. So I was studying forests protection, and because I was always drawn to nature, and in Krakow where I lived was not much nature because it was city, you know. But it was in me that I miss nature. And then I moved here, and here's more nature now because I live in suburbs. So it's nice to come here in those places and enjoy nature. Nice here, water sparkling with sun rays. Looks nice. Unfortunately, in lens it's not so visible because this lens is far away lens. Because for vlogging it's better to use wider angle lens. That's what I meant. This is 20 millimeters. I'm hot. arrived to the car. Now going to Walmart, but we will not record, maybe later something. So hope you enjoy such vlogs. Give thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.
Pas de soleil.